Good morning, student. In the last video, we were discuss the causes of Crusade War. Today, we will discuss what are Crusade Wars. Between 1095 and 1291, European Christian fought war against Muslim of the Eastern Mediterranean to recapture Jerusalem. These wars were later designated as Crusade. According to some source, Pope Urban II gifted a cross to all Christian soldiers to fight in the war. That is why and war was named so. First, second and third Crusade War. The first Crusade War in between 1098 to 99. Soldiers from France and Italy captured Antioch in Syria and claimed Jerusalem. Their victory was accompanied by the slaughter of Muslims and Jews in this city, settled by both Christians and Muslims. The Franks quickly established 4 Crusade states in the region of Syria, Palestine. Collectively, these territories were known as Outremer. When the Turks captured Andessa in 1144, an appeal was made by Pope for a second crusade in between 1145 to 49. A combined German and French army made an attempt to capture Damascus, but they were defeated and forced to return home. After this, there was a gradual erosion of the strength of Crusader states. Salah al-Din created an usurped Syrian empire and gave the call for jihad or holy war against the Christian and defeated them in 1187. He regained journalism nearly a century after the first crusade. The loss of this city, Jerusalem, prompted a third crusade in 1189, but the Crusaders gained little victory in Palestine and got free access to journalism for Christian pilgrims. The Mamluks, the ruler of Egypt, finally drove the crusading Christians from all the Palestine in 1291. Europe gradually lost military interest in Islam and focused on its internal political culture and development. Impact of Crusade Wars. The Crusades left a lasting impact on two aspects on Christian and Muslim relation. क्रूसेड वार के जो इम्पैक्ट है वो मुस्लिम और क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन के आपसी रिलेशन में पड़े, क्योंकि एक तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि दोनों में धर्म युद्ध हुआ, रिलीजन से रिलेटेड उनके आपस में कन्फ्लिक्ट थे. वन वॉज द हार्शर एटीट्यूड ऑफ मुस्लिम स्टेट टुवर्ड्स इन क्रिश्चियन subjects, which resulted from the bitter memories of the conflicted as well as the need for security in area of mixed population. The other was greater influence of Italian mercantile in the trade between the East and the West even after the restoration of Muslim power. Yes. Next topic, agriculture development in Arabia. Agriculture was the principal occupation of the settled population in the newly conquered territories. Land was owned by big and small peasants and in some cases by the state. The state owners collected taxes on behalf of the state. Land which was conquered by the Muslim and handed over mainly to the member of the Khalifa's family. Second point, the state had overall control of agriculture land, deriving the bulk of its income from land revenue. Once the conquest were over, the land conquered by the Arab that remained in the hands of the owners were subject to a which varied from half to a fifth of the produce according to the condition of cultivation. Third number point, on land cultivated by Muslim, the tax levied was 1/10, is called ushur, of the produce. On land cultivated by non-Muslim, the taxes levied was half of the total produce. Fourth number point, when non-Muslims started to convert to Islam to pay lower taxes, this reduced the income of the state. To control this, the Caliphs first discouraged conversion and later adopted a uniform policy of taxation. Fifth, from the 10th century onward, the state authorized its officially to claim their salaries from agriculture revenues from territories called iktas. Agriculture prosperity went hand in hand with political stability. Sixth number point, in many areas the state supported the construction of dams and canals and the digging of wells, etc. Islamic law gave tax concession to people who brought wasteland under cultivation through peasant initiative, and state support cultivable land expanded and productivity rose even in the absence of major technological changes. Seventh number point, many new crops such as cotton, orange, bananas, watermelon, spinach, brinjal were grown in and even exported in Europe. Thank you.